As adults, we often carry quiet insecurities, old doubts, past failures, and negative beliefs that nobody sees. But self-esteem isn't something you're born with. It's something you build step by step, no matter your age. In this guide, we'll rebuild confidence with clear, practical steps. We'll slow the noise, strengthen your identity, and elevate your mindset. First, we address the story you tell yourself. Then we build small wins that compound. We replace harsh self-talk with respectful language. And we protect your environment so confidence has room to grow. This is about peace, respect, and self-worth. Welcome to building self-esteem as an adult. Let's begin. The truth is, low self-esteem comes from one source: the stories we tell ourselves. Many adults repeat the same harmful script. I'm not good enough. I don't deserve better. I always fail. But these are just thoughts, not facts. The moment you challenge them, your life begins to change. Ask, what evidence do I have? What would I tell a friend? This reframes emotion-driven beliefs into reality-tested truths. Write the thought, then write the fact next to it. Challenge absolute words like always and never. Name the story, then you can change the story. From here, we build self-esteem with simple, repeatable habits. Start small, speak kindly, choose supportive environments. Building self-esteem starts with 3 simple habits. 1. Start with small wins. Do one thing today that proves you can trust yourself again. Small wins rebuild confidence fast. 2. Replace negative self-talk. Speak to yourself the way you'd speak to someone you love. Respectfully, patiently. 3. Protect your environment. Surround yourself with people who lift you up, not drain you. Self-esteem grows where support grows. We'll go deeper into each habit now with simple steps. You can start today. Begin with the smallest meaningful action you can keep. Momentum is built, not gifted. Habit 1. Small wins. Small wins prove reliability to yourself. Pick one task so small you can't miss it. Make a daily promise and keep it. Trust is built by evidence. Examples: 1-page read, a glass of water, a 5-minute tidy. Keep the bar low and the standard high. Show up. Track streaks. Streaks become identity. If you miss a day, restart fast. Never miss twice. Consistency beats intensity. When small wins stack, self-belief becomes your default. Your inner voice trains your nervous system. Talk like a coach, not a critic. Turn I can't into I can learn. Lower the volume of shame with slow breathing. Use language of respect. I'm learning. I'm improving. I'm showing up. Capture wins daily. Written or voice. Repetition makes respect automatic. Protect the spaces and people that protect you. Environment writes habits. Habits write identity. Reduce inputs that drain or shame you. Increase time with people who expect your best. Design a visible cue for growth. Schedule protected focus. Same time, same place. Find community, online or local. Protect your energy like a valuable asset. Now remember this truth. You're not starting from zero. You're starting from experience. Everything you've lived through has prepared you to rise higher, stronger, and more confident than ever. You deserve peace. You deserve respect. You deserve to feel good about who you are. Carry this forward. Daily blueprint. Tiny promise, 5 minutes is enough. Reframe thought to fact to next step. Connection, send or schedule 1 check-in. Weekly review streaks, celebrate progress, adjust lightly. Quiet power, consistent action. If you're ready to rebuild your confidence, start with 1 small step today. Like this video, subscribe, and share one thing you're proud of in the comments.